If you want to change lock screen clock on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can open the settings on your phone. We're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to wallpaper and style. Then here we should be able to tap on the lock screen, and now we can start customizing the clock. If you tap on it, then of course we will see this panel, but first I want to focus on the clock here, because we can grab by these corners to resize our clock, and also we can adjust its position so we can move it up, down, left and right a little bit. And there we go. Now if we tap again, we will reopen of course the panel, and over here we can for example choose a different font. You can adjust the thickness of the font as well. And we even have some animations as well. At the bottom, we can choose a color that we wish to use for our clock. So you can choose any of these options. And then you can go to style in order to choose a different clock face. For example, we can pick something like that. Keep in mind that some of the fonts might not be available if you choose a different style, or maybe some styles are not going to be available if you use different fonts. Actually, it seems that all styles are available. In the past it was slightly different, but now it seems that we can still change the style, but of course the font changes as well. Besides that, we can also toggle the weather information, so we can include the information about the weather. We can also move the date to be above the clock or below it. And there we go. Once you are done with the customization, we can just tap on Done in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.